So welcome to this therapeutic moment, and thanks to Skopje. All my friends didn't want to come here because they were afraid about what's happening between the two countries. But as Botte says, Van der Rota, как беше Botte? I always forget. Hey Beyonce, please, you'll be fired by next year. Well, that's how we do it. In one hand we have the blue, in the other one we have the red. I'm sorry, I have to take the moment to call my mother because she was also really worried about me coming here. She said, didn't you know what's happening? Boy, don't go there. Like, mommy, there's only great people in there. She's like, yeah, but home is better. I'm like, yeah, well, but you know what? Our story is a long story. We don't want to go again into that, right, mommy? So everything is fine, mom. Trust me, we have a therapy session in here. We have a little problem with Beyonce. She doesn't want to roll it. She don't want to roll it. She just want to go, girl, go. Go, girl. Okay, mom, I have to make a performance. I call you later. I love you more. So, hello again. Very nice to see you all around here at the Opera House. I'll come around and give you a wild card, and I hope we can do like a collective therapeutic session tonight in a contra war. You know wars? I think we all at least heard about it, right? At least once or twice in our lives. Take a card, it's a wild card, it's like human rights against humanity. You can exchange advices and talk to your friends for the next 3 minutes. So the black talks to the white cards and the white cards talk to the white. We can also this is not this is just like a faster way to get you guys go there. Get engaged. Here is war. Here is war again. Okay, who is my best friend in here? I want to send pictures of my mom, so who can take her pictures, send pictures of my mom. Sławcho, Grace, thank you, love. So, you know what? We have to make this world to come to peace. How do we do it? Let's try our best tonight here, okay? So So the first part of our therapeutic session tonight is about challenging you to come here and cut out and disarm me. You know, I'm a little bit feeling like exhausted from the fight. I invite you to come here and cut off some parts of my clothing. We have one, but we need also someone from the other side. Can someone please? We have one hand free. You have head, you have shoulders, you have body, you have legs. You can choose. Hello, nice to meet you. One piece is good enough. If you feel like having some more, you can always have some more. We're in war. You got the pockets, I have nothing in my pockets. Maybe. Very good. We have some more scissors work here. We also have. Thank you so much. We need some more. I really don't want to cut. Oh yeah, sure. Please cut the head. Everything is to cut, but the head. Is that good? You did it? Right. I'm so happy this is happening. I also can cut myself. Go under the brush, please. Not under the flesh, under the brush. Bobo, can we have some like Mussolini in reverse? Musica, per favore. Can we have the first track? Oh, great, great. Give applause. Everything is alright. Just disarm me. Let's disarm ourselves tonight. Let's say, what about my heart? I know it's already done. William Westmore said, the military don't start with politicians, starts with war. Don't spread democracy with the barrel of a gun. Peace, said Vityazzi, yes, define this period of time to allow for preparation for the next war. Do we agree? No. Bad. That's already some proper fashion design going on in there. Very good, but we need to get me really disarmed because let me help myself. So, yeah, there is like, she can do it. Thank you, you're great. Well, we have a little bit more here to go. We're set for some cutting and chopping. All the heading down, you know, we are warming. I am nearly satisfied, but what am I going to do with that? Help! Help! Help somebody, help me. She'll help me. Darling, change career as long as it's... You see, you're born for a fashionable. I didn't say that. Thank you for disarming me. This was the first part. I have invited here one of my favorite friends in the world. He never puts it out. He's not a dictator, he's not a dickhead. Who that is? I give you like a free blowjob if you just say the name. He never puts it out. That's the only hint I have for you. Darling, it's Putin. Let's applaud. I've invited here my dear friend Putin.
I find my feet on blueberry hill, on blueberry hill. When I found you, then so still, on blueberry hill. My dreams came true. Bury in the love, love's sweet melody. But all those loves remain when meant to be. Though we are apart, you part of me still. For you were my favorite. Oh, blueberry hill. Come let me hear. We'll
He never puts it out, as we know. Wait a minute. And now we have, you were all waiting for the moment that there will be like this big suspension. That we are all going to have like a cosmic orgasm here, right? Right? None of you? Well, I was. Ivana, where's the letters? We're just getting the rounds. Well, who cares for the letters? All right, this second stage, it's not Hildegard, it's like, it's Freud. Second stage of therapy. So we need 5 people here. Like pee? Did anyone pee in their pants tonight? Come here. No? Did anyone take ecstasy? No? We are not in Berlin, thanks God. A? What about A? It's bigger than B. C is just so fucking jealous. He's gonna make like an alphabet war. C. C is for what is C? It's for centimeters. It's for centimeters. How big is your courage? And it's for courage too. And again, E. It's for what is it? E. Another E. We need another idea about E for peace. P for peace is like what? Bombing for virginity? No, what was it? We forgot, we lost the letter. However, to gain international reverence and peace in the house, I would ask you to come together in this track that's been going on since the Balkan Wars, not the first one, not the second one, but the sweet harmony. So until everyone drops, there will be no peace. So decide for yourself. Bogomir, let's go for it. Until everyone drops, there will be no peace. You decide for yourself. Try to get fun, we could really try. All the time, sitting around the line. We never stop, shoot it down. We have another like few words for me. Let's come together. Right now, oh yeah, it's the harmony. Let's come together. Right now, oh yeah, it's the harmony. Let's come together. Right now, oh yeah, it's the harmony. socialist, don't believe anyone. Just come together. Three, two, one. Let's come on. Come into the club tonight. It's our only chance to come together. To be like fussy, but like just do nothing because we don't like words. We don't give a shit. We wanna dance. We just wanna dance, right? Yeah.